Hello everyone, I'm Muslim Worth again and once again here to teach you the remaining part of lesson 6 and we can say second video of a series of German grammar level A1. Uh, so we are coming, we have yeah, studied in first video of lesson 6 about how to change like possessive articles from a nominative form to accusative and from nominative to dative form. According to this general rule, like here I have changed nominative forms to dative. Now we are coming to practical examples of possessive articles, and practical examples we will be learning it practically about possessive articles. For example, here these are in um, dative. I'm writing in accusative as well. In accusative, we are changing there to then, and the other articles are written the same like that of in nominative form. So there is change to them. D is written. We write D like D, and we write das the same like das, and D is written plural D is written the same like what it is in nominative form. So just there is change to then in accusative. So here I'm writing like these are mm, these are dative and here accusative, right? So now we are coming to examples. In examples, for example here we have in nominative, for example, we say in nominative form masculine, feminine, and neutral. So in masculine, we say mein Mantel. Mein Mantel, Mantel means coat. Uh, mein Mantel, so it is der Mantel. Der Mantel, we say in nominative, it is in nominative form, so we say mine. Um, like the possessive article for there is and nominative is mine. In possessive article in dative there is change to them. So when there is change to them, I said we add am at the end of, for example, like it is mine. We are adding am at the end. We say like here my name in dative, my name mantle. And in accusative, we say that there is change to then. So whenever we are using just like in nominative form, we are taking nominative form and adding at the end with that an. So we are writing it is mine in nominative, we are adding an. So here we added an and it is my name mantle. The next one is genetiv. In genetiv, um, so for genetiv, we have here a rule here. For genetiv, there is a rule is written like there we had a rule for accusative and dative, and for genetiv we have a rule when it is there and thus we are changing in genetiv. The genetiv form of there and thus for both of them is this, and so we use this. Then I'm coming here to example as well. So we use this plus nomen plus s and as. Like here, the example is given. Like we say, my dear Pata, according to this rule, we are changing there to this plus nomen plus noun, and we are adding with it s. This paters, right? Like here it is das Auto, it means a car. A car, how to change to genitive form? According to this rule, we change the das to this. Here it is this is written, and then we are writing also the nomen. The nomen is here written, and at the end you are adding s or as. So s is added, we say this autos, this patters, this autos. And the next one, um, die singular and plural, for both of them we are changing die to der plus nomen. So, for example, die Huse, die und es ist die Singularform and Pluralform, we use die Husen. So, in die Husen, both of them, we are changing like here to there. The article is changed to there, and we are writing both forms of when it is singular nomen or and noun, and if it is plural noun. So we are saying der Huse and der Husen. So in such a manner, these are changed. So here genitive is written. So what we said, we are adding like here it is possessive article, and it is the general rule article. So here we were changing there and thus to this. We are changing here mine to minus this minus, and then plus noun, writing noun, and adding at the end with it s or as. Here we are adding s. So minus mantles. It means, for example, we are saying uh, seines Mantels. Like seines Mantels. For example, we say, was ist die Farbe, was ist die Farbe äh, seines Mantels? Like, what is the color of his coat? Right? His coat. Seines Mantels. What is the color of his coat? In such a manner, we are using the genitive form. So now in feminine, like for feminine, we have the rule. We are coming to this general rule. For example, in nominative, we say in feminine, meine Hose. In dative, we said we are changing like here, D is changed to der. We are saying, so when it is changed to der, mine is changed to meiner Hose. And so and in accusative we said D comes the same like D here. So when it is meine, it is written same like meine. And the next one is genitive. Genitive, here the rule is for genitive, we said we are changing the D when it is singular and plural, we are changing D to there. It is changed to there, then we use nomen. For example, here meine is changed to meiner Huse. So the next one, in neutrum und neutral form, it is the same like that of masculine. For example, mein Hemd, it is nominative. In dative, we are changing mine to my name. So that is das Hemd. Hemd means shirt, t-shirt. So it is changed to my name, and then in accusative we don't change das to any other form. The same das is written, so we say mein Hemd. In genitive, according to this rule, we are bringing changes. Mine, so it is das is changed to this, so we write meines. And Hemd, hemden, it is noun, then at the end we are adding as. So meines Hemdes. So in such a manner, we are changing practically this to other to a nominative form to accusative, dative, and genitive. So now we are coming to the same example here for a plural form. For example, we say meine Hemden. So according to rule and how they are in dative and accusative. For example, we say meine Hemden. It is nominative form. So in nominative form, die is die. In dative, die is changed to der. So when it is changed to there, and okay, it is singular the. This the I'm here we are talking about plural. The is changed in plural to then. So then we are saying meinen Hemden. It is in dative. And the next one is accusative. In accusative, we say it the plural comes the same like it in its original form. So we say in accusative we say meine Hemden. And genitive, according to our genitive rules, the is changed to there. Then we are using the same plural form. Like die, we change meine to meiner, meiner, and we use the same plural form here, meinen, Hemden, meiner, Hemden. So it was changing rules, and we have practically changed some nouns. Now we are coming to examples. For example, we are saying, "Es ist mein Mantel." It is nominative. Es ist mein Mantel. When we are saying it in dative, how we are saying that. So, for example, we say, ich trage meinen Mantel. So it is dative form in English means indirect object. And the next example is ich ziehe nicht meine Hose aus. It means I am not taking off my pant. So it is again dative, and here we have as die Hose is feminine, so we were changing feminine to die to there, and meine is changed to meiner. So in such a manner it is used. The next one is ich finde meinen Mantel schön. Ich finde, it means I found my coat beautiful. I found it beautiful. So it is a causative, and it is der Mantel. We said that we are changing there to then. So we change uh, mine to meinen. The next one is ich finde mein Hemd gut. I found my shirt good. It means it is good. So it is uh, the next one is it is das Hemd. We said that we are not changing das to any other form in a causative. It is used in its nominative form as it is in nominative form. It remains the same in a causative form. The next one is das Reißverschluss meines Mantels ist kaputt. It means zip up. My coat is broken and is not working. So the next one, so it is we have used it here, and it is an example for genitive. For example, we are saying mine is es is der Mantel. We say that we are changing there to this, so mine to mine is, and then noun, then we are adding is. So the next one is Reißverschluss von meinem Mantel ist kaputt. Here again, it is the meaning is same, but form is a dative form. So in dative form, it is der Mantel. Der is changed to them. So mine is changed to meinem. The next one is ich bogele jeden Tag meinen Hemden. It means ich bogele. It means I'm ironing my shirts every day. So we said that we are changing in dative plural D to then. The next one is ich laufe morgens mit meiner Kollegin. Ich meet is dative, then we use here we said D is changed, D plural is changed in dative to there. So mine is changed to meiner. So it is meiner Kollegen. It means I am running with my friends every morning. So these were practical examples of lesson 6, and it was about possessive articles in nominative, accusative, dative, and genitive. So be with us for more lessons and follow us.